They have Kinky straights and then they have Yaki straight. Y'all, when I tell you I have been wearing that wig everywhere.
Pluck the wigs for y'all going to the house.
Watch this video before you purchase this wig. Hey, cousins, hey, it's your girl, man. Can't come to you with a slate today. Come to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all, I'm jumping right into this one. Y'all know the other wig that I have been. Y'all got about 17,000 videos from this wig. From BGM girl hair, honey, and that Kinky straight wig, that glueless wig. Y'all, when I tell you I have been wearing that wig everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. I love that wig. See, I had like 28 inches. I was being real long and ignorant. But I said, now I'm going to do one for the girlies who like a little length but like it a little shorter. So I'm going to do a 20-inch wig today. But I'm going to showcase to you the options that they have for this wig. Because they have a couple things I want to tell you guys. They have Kinky straights and then they have Yaki straights. It has the C-shaped cutout right here. So the wig cap is not lying across your ear. It's perfect for those people who wear glasses and really just perfect for anyone who wants to have a comfortable wig on their head. The lace is pre-cut. It's pre-plucked. So you really could plop it right on, okay? Okay, so I wanted to do a video just to explain a couple things that are very important before you purchase these wigs, okay? First things first, I'm the realist, okay? Now, this is where we finna get into the fact. The two textures that sometimes people get confused are Kinky straight and Yaki straight. So Kinky straight is going to be more full. A lot of times people put a little bit of heat to it just to keep, to keep the fullness, because it is a 180% density wig, okay?
And I love that.
Kinky straight is going to be more full. You could press it. You can do all of the things if you want to. If you want the look of a Kinky straight wig after it has been pressed, then you would get the Yaki straight, okay? It's already going to come like that. So if you want all the big, ignorant, beautiful, glorious, Kinky straight hair, then you get that. But if you have plans to press it, now, depending on what degree of it that you want to press it, you may still end up pressing the Yaki straight hair. Yaki straight is already going to give you the look of the Kinky straight after it's been pressed, okay? So depending on what you're going for, whatever style you're going for, that's what you choose. Also, y'all, this is big. They have an option. They have normal knots and then they have bleach knots for an option, okay? You have to choose bleach knots if you want bleach knots. If you do not choose that, you're going to see the black dots. You're going to see, it's going to look like regular knots, okay? Even if they're small, they don't have to be big and ignorant for you to see them. If you want that seamless look, choose bleached. Now, if you plan to lift the knot yourself, then cool. Then you don't have to do that, obviously. But if you want the knots already lifted, you have to choose that option, okay? And I think there was some confusion, and rightfully so. Personally, I just bleach. I think that the knot should just come bleached, okay? But I get it. They're giving you the option for people who may not want the knots lifted. I don't know of any such person, but I'm sure they're out there. You have to choose that option, okay? These wigs are 100% human hair. So you don't have to worry about, can I color it? Can I bleach it? Can I put heat to it? All of the things. That's passe. That's passe, okay? We through with that. Now, these wigs are on their dome cap. I love their dome cap because it fits my forehead so flipping well. And you guys may be like, forehead? If you know, okay?
We need a dome cap about him.
We need something that makes our forehead feel special, secure, okay? Hold it tight and everything will be all right. That's what the 3D dome cap does for me in my life, okay? The hairline is pre-plucked. That's an upgrade from their other wigs. So if some of y'all got some of their older wigs and like, hold a minute now, because mine wasn't pre-plucked, they are now. That's an upgrade, okay? I guess they heard the streets talking and was like, honey, we're going to have to pluck them wigs for y'all going to the house. So I'm just going to show you the two wigs. I'm going to show you their differences and we're going to be through with it, okay? Y'all, I'm telling you, their wigs, ooh, Honey, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun, okay? If you want to become a part of the K-Team channel members, hit that join. You know what to do. But let me just show you the difference between the two so that you can see. And I'm not going to press the first kinky straight wig that I did. I ended up putting heat to it. Was y'all on that live when I put the heat to it? Okay. I'm not going to do it for this video for the sake of the contrast. I want to show you the difference so that you can make an educated decision on what you want to purchase based off of what they look like out of the box, okay? All right, hold it.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got